So this is where everyone in this room as a business needs to understand, are they qualified to work with you? Is this an ideal customer for you, or are you just playing their game? Are you just kind of chasing their system? Do you have a chance of winning this, yes or no? So you know in your gut, do I have a good shot at winning this, or I don't really feel like we have a good chance? If you feel like you have that feeling of not a good chance very often, you're pitching to the wrong deals, the wrong companies, the wrong scenarios. Change your strategy a little bit. Maybe don't do that. In Singapore, we have something called GBiz, government biz. Some of my fellow speakers use the GBiz system to do government work. Well, government, they are slow payers, and they're notorious for wanting the lowest price and making you jump through hoops. So my fee is too high for GBiz, and I don't like jumping through hoops. And some of their policies is we don't meet with vendors. We don't meet with vendors. We just need you to fill this form in online and submit it, and what? That doesn't work for me, so I don't bid on those things. So I think everyone in this room has to determine who's my ideal target customer and go after more of those and drop the deadbeat ones.
But we have one business like this. Even if there are 3 vendors like World Trade Center, we're doing all their, you know, like some big clients, we're doing all their digital marketing and everything. So we have one business. Good. But the main thing is that now we are coming across a lot like this, because obviously we're going to that level where we are actually pitching to those clients.
Sure.
And you know, they have this thing that they have to call 3 vendors.
Sure. Yeah.
So how do you...
So if it's new business,
yeah.
If it's new, then what I encourage you to do is to make sure that it's less of a pitch, less presentation, more consultative conversation. That's all I'll offer. Okay? Don't come in there with your, hi, so let me tell you about us, and here's my PowerPoint, and here's what we do. Less of that, and more about, you know what, I can tell you all about who we are and what we do. You've probably seen our website already.
Yeah.
I'm curious to learn more about you guys, your goals, and what you're working on. How will you know this project is a success? Who have you worked with before? What did you like, what did you not like? How will you know this project was a resounding success? What will happen if this doesn't work? What will happen if you actually pick the wrong vendor? Tell me what you liked about the other 2 vendors. Be bold enough to ask that question. Hey, what did you like about those guys? Because they're good. So what did you like about them? Why do you ask? Because I want to make sure that we give you more of what you want and less of what you don't want.